Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices and your laptop. First, inspect ports and verify batteries or charge for wireless peripherals so you don't interrupt pairing. Next, plug a wired keyboard or mouse into the appropriate USB-A or USB-C port. If using a dongle, insert it now. If you choose Bluetooth, open your laptop's Bluetooth settings and make it discoverable. Once done, put the keyboard or mouse into pairing mode, usually a dedicated button or holding the power button, and move to the next step. You now pair and confirm drivers. If using Bluetooth, select Add Device and choose the keyboard or mouse. Follow on-screen PIN prompts if any. For USB or dongle, wait for plug-and-play to recognize the hardware. If the system prompts to install drivers, allow it and restart when advised to finalize driver setup. After installation, open Device Manager or the Bluetooth list to verify the device is present and enabled. Make sure battery-saving modes are disabled while testing responsiveness and cursor movement. Finish by customizing and testing functionality. You should adjust pointer speed, key repeat rate, and DPI in settings so the peripheral feels right. If the keyboard or mouse doesn't respond, repair or reconnect the dongle, swap batteries, or move to another USB port. For Bluetooth, turn Bluetooth off then on and retry pairing. As a key troubleshooting tip, update the OS and device drivers. Outdated drivers are the most common cause of intermittent failures and can often be resolved with the manufacturer's support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.